Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Tye, Ohio, Stryker SR-497hpc. Got all these different colors to choose from here. You can hold it and make it dim down so far, wherever you want it there. Anyways, power all the way down. We're on the 100-watt slug. It's a half a watt. Turn it all the way up here. 15 watts on the high. Hello, audio. 100-watt scale in the corner. Our power down, half a watt. Hello, audio. 100 watts in the corner. Should do about 115 watts there, Tye. It's coming to you, buddy. Stryker SR-497hpc. Thank you, my friend. TruckCBSales@gmail.com. Bum bum.